What if I told you that a single digital image, a tweet, or even a meme, could be worth thousands, or even millions of dollars? Welcome to the world of NFTs, where art, ownership, and technology collide in the most unexpected ways. But wait, what exactly is an NFT? Why are people buying them, and do they still matter in 2025? Let's break it down in just a couple of minutes. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Let's make that simple. Fungible is just a fancy way of saying interchangeable, like one Bitcoin is always equal to another Bitcoin. But non-fungible means unique, one of a kind. So an NFT is a digital certificate of ownership stored on the blockchain. It can represent art, music, videos, gaming items, or even tweets. Owning an NFT means I have proof that a specific digital item is mine, even if others can still see or copy it. NFTs live on blockchains, usually Ethereum or similar networks. They use smart contracts to verify ownership, track history, and enable resale on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Blur, or Magic Eden. Most NFTs follow standards like ERC 721 or ERC 1155. This makes them unique and tradable. Think of it like this: the blockchain is the museum and my NFT is the verified artwork hanging inside. So why are people actually buying NFTs? A few reasons. Digital art collecting, artists can sell directly to fans. Status symbol, like wearing rare sneakers, but online. Membership or utility. Some NFTs give access to private communities, games, or events. Speculation, hoping their value goes up. For example, CryptoPunks, Bored Apes, and Azuki NFTs have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. But NFTs aren't just about art anymore. In 2025, I'm seeing NFTs in gaming. Own weapons, characters, or land in metaverse games. Music and film. Artists selling exclusive albums or experiences. Real estate, tokenizing property ownership. Even education, NFT-based certificates and badges. NFTs are quickly becoming tools of ownership in the digital world. Are NFTs safe? They're built on secure blockchains, but that doesn't mean I'm completely safe. Watch out for fake NFT collections, rug pulls, and overpriced NFTs with no real use. Here's my tip: always verify collections on marketplaces and never share your wallet's private key. So, are NFTs a fad? Not really. While the hype may come and go, the technology behind NFTs is powerful, shaping the future of ownership, identity, and creativity online. Whether you're an artist, gamer, investor, or just curious, NFTs are worth understanding, because in a digital world, ownership is changing, and NFTs are leading the way. Found this helpful? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Course, where I simplify crypto one topic at a time. Got questions about NFTs or want to explore a platform like OpenSea? Comment below. I reply to everyone.